Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how to make transparent picture in the CapCut apps. So for example, I already have one project here and I'm going to make this object, this picture, or this video transparent. So it's so super simple. How to just click on the clip that you want to make it transparent, and then you can select opacity, and then and you can adjust for the opacity like this. You can check mark. Alright, so that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.